Today is our rehearsal and we are doing it on the city wall. It's amazing for me. It's so historical. It was amazing, like my dream.
I wanted to become a model because I really love art in general, and I think fashion is an incredible expressive art form which beyond every single work hides a different story, and I really appreciate it.
What made me want to become a model was seeing supermodels themselves embrace their womanhood and become powerful leading people in the fashion industry.
My sister is a model, and growing up watching her in the industry, I've always been so mesmerized by it, and I love fashion. And
I've always wanted to become a model because of my physique, my height, and I've been encouraged to become a model, so that's why I wanted to push myself, because I believe I have what it takes.
I love modeling, it's my lifestyle and I was born to do it.
I'm looking for talent that have the ability to translate on from print to digital. And specifically, I'm looking for people that have a lot of spirit, because for me, beauty is not just a physical attribute, it's the inner soul and the spirit of someone.
A beautiful model will need to have a great personality. She will need to be smart. She will need a lot of different things, and it's about how you behave. It's about the way you look at people. It's just a whole, like, wholesome personality.
You need the looks, you need the measurements, you need the height, but you need that personality that can that makes your character interesting to clients.
For me, I'm always looking for inner beauty. There's a light, there's a sparkle, and some people call it the it factor.
And I think natural beauty is in the eyes of the beholder.
We're about to go through the interview with the judges. Judges arrived and we're super nervous. They're gonna look at each of us and they're gonna judge us, of course. Today is the day they're gonna decide who is the winner. So I'm very nervous.
I'm a bit nervous, but fingers crossed.
You know, beauty is a very hard thing to put your finger on. It's all according to what you're looking at beauty for. How do you look and find that fabulous model who's beautiful? Sometimes a model isn't as beautiful as she photographs, but you see that if she wears this type of makeup and if she has this type of hairdo, you're able to create this beautiful girl.
It's judging day and I think I did well.
Hello, my name is Stephan and congratulations to all the top models at Look of the Year China 2018.
There are obvious beauties, there are classical beauties, and then there are quirky beauties, which I actually love, where they're not obvious to most people, and you take a girl and you develop her and she becomes confident and she becomes more and more beautiful, and that to me is really exciting.
I would like to tell all of the contestants in this event to give it your all, to not be afraid to show who you are. Don't be afraid to step out of the box. Don't believe things that you've read or heard about how you should be or the way you should act. Just be yourself. So I think for all of us, the judges, the contestants, the viewers, this is an amazing opportunity. It's an amazing thing to watch and to enjoy, and I hope you take in every minute.